everyone, it's Joe. I wanted to put together this card for you for I Am Roses, and the paper collection that I'm using is My Mind's Eye Lost and Found 2, and it is the collection with the blue colors, and I believe that one is called, it is called Breeze. I believe it's Breeze. So I was inspired by this card that I saw in the Stampin' Up catalog, the 2011 catalog. And if you guys want to look at that picture, if you have a catalog yourself, it's on page 182. I just used, I use it as an inspiration. So just let me tell you the products that I'm using. I am using the tiny crocheted flowers. I am using the small scrapbooking flowers in white. I'm using these leaves right here. You can see right there. And then I am going to be using one of these large brown two-tone flowers, really pretty. And then I'm going to be using these mini rosebuds, and they are in this brown two-tone color. Okay, so that's what I'm using, and let's get started. So I basically am using a A2 size card, which is 5.5 by 4.25, and this is the inside and this is the outside. It's just these cute little beige polka dots, and then I cut a pattern paper, this pattern paper, and I distressed the edges with my Tim Holtz distresser all around, and I love the damask pattern and the print. Okay, so this is gonna go just in the center of the card. And the card opens up like that, so I'm just gonna lay it right in the center, hoping that is the center. Okay, let's see. Nope, I'll get this. Okay, so laying it like that, and then I cut this piece of this strip right here, and I'm going to use the striped as the front. Okay, and I'm going to center it in the middle like so. Trying to see if that's crooked a little bit. Okay, and now I got some white cardstock paper, and I cut it out with my Stampin' Up Top Note die. It's one of my favorite dies, and this is the top, let's see if it'll focus, and that would be a negative. Anyways, it's the Figs Top Note die from Stampin' Up, and I stamped this bird image here from a Martha Stewart stamp set, and this is really old. I got it on clearance, but I just stamped it with brown ink, and then I distressed it. I inked the edges with my antique linen, and I'm going to put that right in the center like so. Gonna be like that. Okay, and then so these leaves right here, I sprayed them with my Lindy Stamp Gang, and it's Gator Gumbo Olive, and it gave it this beautiful green color with gold shimmer to it. So I'm gonna put the flower arrangement right here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and hot glue that. Like that. Okay, and then I'm going to lay these rosebuds, 2 on each side, like so, like that. Let me just zoom in a little bit, and I'm just gonna trim off the stems a little bit, and I'm going to put the hot glue on the rosebuds on the back side. Like that. So it's gonna be like that. Okay, and then I'm going to do it on the other side, exact same. And let me trim the ends, and I'm just using some regular wire cutters. Okay, like that, and then let me put glue on the back. Okay, and then I'm going to put this right in the center, but before I do that, I'm gonna put these 2 on either side, and this is again using the mini crocheted flowers. And all I did was I got that small scrapbooking flower, I got the stem, and I ran it through the little hole, and that's how I layered it. And then I didn't cut the stem off, I just got my paintbrush and wrapped it around the ends and curled it. So I'm gonna put this down like that, and it's gonna go right here, and then the other one also goes on the other side like that. Okay, and then this one is going to go right in the center. Like so. And then I'm just going to put one flower on top right there. Okay, really simple and easy. So that is the card that I was inspired to make by one of the cards in the Stampin' Up! Catalog. And I hope you guys liked it. I will put all the links to the I Am Roses products that I used in the description bar below, and I'll have pictures at my blog. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.